Drive. I'm recording. I took a picture already.
Okay, drive her around. I know. Drive her around.
Okay, like this. Like this, okay?
If only we had the remote, it would really look
Look,
like...
go around. Drive.
Yeah.
You can stay there, man.
Well, it is probably used to the kids already. Like, these kids, you know.
This kid gave us a little
What did it say?
Hey, buddy!
Can you read this? Later. This. Woo! Oh, it's a fish! Come on, highway! And this is mine! Boom, that's easy. No, I can't do that. Yeah, do that again.
Yeah, Bubba, here, cause I'm cooking.
How much package you get?
Don't move it too much.
This chicken is really butter football. That's why I had to use that
Well, they having a time of their life over there.
You take a video? Yeah.
No, can't do it now. Man, right there is a round table. Yeah.
Nene, can somebody drive the bird? Nene! Not fast, Nene.
Where's Cyril?
Nene, you're gonna make a fall. Mom, Nene's driving the car fast with the bird on it. Don't drive fast. Don't go fast. Nene, we're gonna put a video this on YouTube and say a driving bird. Look, a driving bird. And write a driving bird.
That's a home run.
last night. I'll tell you, you guys. All right. Somebody brush his teeth.
You fell on the floor.
Let's go. Come on.
Like sleeping.
Let's go.
Woohoo!
See, Nana? See, Nana? See? Just wanted to make a video of the bird driving. Not the bird flying in the air.
Oh! Get it like this! Go like this. This car drives. Yeah, look at that.
Let's go back to bed. Oh, I figure it's so wide. Where are we?
Why in our room?
You go better in here? Alright, bird.
Where's the other car? Oh, there it is. Oh, there.
That was a touchdown right there.
Mom, stop the video, this. That's the whole video lesson?
Wait. And wait, stop driving. I want to see the bird. Clear.